with a couple of ladies from Instagram.
So fun.
It was so fun. And everybody looks so cute.
About to get pictures now.
Yeah, now we're about to get pictures. So I'm trying to get somebody to take our photos. This is a spot where that little viral video of my haircut happened because the girl that does my hair, she's in this building, funny enough. And so if you notice the wind, it's back. Like it's the same wind. That's cute. Yeah. That's cute. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, thank you. You too.
Great.
And right.
Y'all tell our people you said hi.
Hi, Princess. Personal bravery is my what is it? Handle. There you go.
In Shameka, middle-aged behavior.
Love it.
Hey guys, and happy Vlogtober. Keandra and I just left the emissions testing place to get our emissions checked. And we're just doing our big girl things. So it's that time of the year. And then on Monday, we'll be going to the registrations office to get the sticker for our tags. But yeah, so right now we're headed into Dick's because we saw this Nike jacket in Nordstrom, and Dick's has it as well, and they're supposed to have it in black. And so we wanted to take a look at it and some other things. So hopefully they have that one here, but we wanted to look at some other, fall, winter kind of things because 'tis the season. I know that's Christmas, but still.
Hey you guys, so we just wrapped up episode 11 episode 12 of Living Noire. Guys, we were here at the Osha Sushi Lounge or bar or whatever. And y'all, the food is so good. Oh my goodness. So good. So, of course, you guys are going to see episode 12. That's tomorrow. But right now you see this after. So again, y'all, yeah, y'all seen that. Yeah. So y'all, again, happy Vlogtober. Y'all, we are already in October. This is so good. Happy Vlogtober, y'all. We love y'all so much. Hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. And yeah.
Hey guys, so I am, covering up the thing. Hey guys, so I'm wearing my Kalanah Barfield jeans, the ones from Target, and my JolieNoire t-shirt. We have a short coming up soon, just showing all of the pieces that I got in my haul, and I really like these. These are the size 18. I was not able to get, at first I sized up rather because I thought that, you know, they didn't have stretch. But I didn't realize they already had an oversized fit. And I'm not real big on like oversized stuff like that. But then also like these, I still have to take in the waist on these. And I'll have to, well, and then they're still kind of just, there's a little space here. So actually this size 18 is perfect. And I'll be taking the 20s that I got back, and I'll be trying to, you know, get 18s. I have 18s in 2 pair of the jeans that I have now, and I'll be taking those 20s back, and I just need one more 18 and I'll be good to go. But you guys will see like the full length of these jeans and stuff like that and how they fit on me on the short. But yeah, Keandra got some stuff too, and she had to trade out some stuff because she also sized up. I mean, we read no stretch and just went for what we knew. But yeah, I got the coat, I got 3 pair of jeans, and a dress. The dress is narrow in the hips, which I'm surprised by because everything else is like so oversized and the top of it is oversized. But yeah, all in all, it's really great quality stuff, and I'm happy I got my stuff, and I know Keandra's happy too. Happy Monday, everybody. So Keandra and I are here at West Elm, and I'm picking up a pair of sheets that I just purchased. Actually, one of the pair of sheets that I purchased like some years ago, like I think 6 years ago, they actually ended up ripping. So I ended up needing to buy more because I always like to have at least 4 sets of sheets so that I can, you know, rotate them because I have white ones. And so I need to soak them and all the, you know, all the stuff to keep them white. And so I like to have plenty of sheets so that I'm not left without. So that's what I'm going to go pick up. They're from Pottery Barn, but Pottery Barn, West Elm, Williams-Sonoma, all of those are in the same family. And so I had them shipped to the West Elm store since it's closer to me, because I don't think we have a Pottery Barn really close to us anymore. So that's why I'm picking them up at West Elm, and we're going to take a look around and see like what fall things they have for home decor. So good. So we got I got the grande pecan crunch oat latte hot. So good, my goodness. Got an extra pump of syrup. So good. All I have to say is, if you have a Paris Baguettes in your area, run, don't walk. That cake was so good, so moist, fluffy. It like had a moussey layer in between the slices of cake. So good. We shared it. We'll have to keep sharing it because that cake is so good. It's not too rich and it's not too sweet. It's just right. It's perfect. Oh my gosh.